Handling failed API calls gracefully using Redux-Saga retry pattern. Start by importing necessary effects from Redux-Saga. Define a generator function to fetch a resource. Set a maximum number of retries to 3. Initialize a retry counter to 0. Loop until the maximum retries are reached. Attempt to fetch the resource. Use call effect to make the API request. Extract data from the response. Dispatch success action with the data. Exit the loop on success. Handle any errors. Check if on the last retry. Dispatch failed action after last retry. Exit the loop after the last retry. End of error handling block. Increment the retry counter. End of the try catch block. End of the while loop. End of the generator function. Here is the complete retry pattern logic using Redux-Saga.